Do you feel stuck even though you are doing everything right? Confused about whether you are on the right path or not? Constantly regretting about wasting time? Or you fear about your future? Living busy days but building nothing meaningful? Repeating the same year again and again? Then this video is for you. I know it's hard, but this happened to everyone. And this doesn't mean you are losing. It means you are in the middle of the process. In this video, I am going to reveal 5 steps which are the real deciders of your life. And at the end of video, I am going to give you the challenge which will make you to get those points work on yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. The comfort trap. This is the most dangerous phase of your life. Your 20s and 30s are not ruined by failure. They are ruined by comfort without progress. When life is not painful enough, you stop questioning it. A stable income, family routine, weekend distraction, these are not bad things, but they are dangerous when they replace growth. If you are being comfortable in what you are, then you will never get the things you want. You have to get out of that comfort zone and work your ass off to get that thing. Comfort doesn't destroy your future loudly, it slowly sedates your ambition. Let's make it simple. Ask yourself, am I growing or just maintaining? If I repeat what I am doing for next 10 years, will my life improve or I am just stay where I am right now? What I'm trying to tell you in this point is that if you're not feeling comfortable, but you know you are improving your skills, increasing your investments, building assets, then don't stress out because you are doing the right thing. Always remember, comfort is a slow poison that tastes like tea. Step 2. Identity before result. Your future is decided more by who you believe you are than what you are currently doing. People wait for success to change their identity, but life doesn't work that way. You don't become disciplined after success. Success appears after discipline becomes your identity. Take any sport. You can't become champion just by thinking you are going to become one. You win when you work hard and be disciplined for a long amount of time. Life is a game too. And another important thing is you always have to think in practical ways rather than emotionally defending your habits. If you are in your 20s and 30s, thoughts like I am bad with money, I am not consistent, this is just how I am, this sentence will become your lifelong limit. A person who say I am not a morning person isn't describing sleep habits. They are defending an identity. Think of it. Do you always describe yourself as tired, unlucky, average or busy? Then that's not description. It's a programming. And you have to get out of that program to be successful in your life. Change your thoughts and change your destiny. Remember the quote, a person thinks it's possible and another thinks it's impossible. Both are right. You get the point. Step 3. Direction matters more than speed. Now, most people misunderstood this point. Being busy is useless if you are moving in the wrong direction. Most people not fail from laziness, they fail from misalignment. They work hard but they never upgrade. Ask yourself, the effort I am giving right now still makes sense after 10 years from now? Is these habits building leverage or just survival? In simple ways, running fast on treadmill feels productive, but you are still in the same place. What I am trying to tell you, first make sure where you want to go, then master the skills which require to get there and give your 100% to upgrade those skills. Trust me, in this process, you will never feel stuck even when you are busy. Step 4. The skill compounding effect. This is most important point in your teenage and which nobody explains clearly. Just like money compound in asset, skill compound in life. Skills like communication, money understanding, technology, problem solving, discipline, consistency make you deserving of standing in elite. Your 20s and 30s are the cheapest time to acquire skills. After that, life becomes expensive. Someone who learns sales at 25 can sell anything at 45. Someone who avoid learning it depends on others forever. So this is your chance and you have really less time to learn more things. Make sure you learn more skills as fast as you can. Get this in your head. Your income is a shadow of your skill set. Step 5. Time leak. Your future isn't destroyed by big mistakes. It's leaked away through small distractions. Phone scrolling, gossip, overthinking, comparison. This is waste of time. Focus on improving your skills and the cheat code for not getting distracted is to upgrade your circle. Make sure the people you hang out with talks about money, investment, asset. rather than gossip. Let's take a self observation. After watching this video, I dare you to check your screen time. That number is not just hours, it's years of your life destroying. 30 minutes wasted daily is equal to 182 hours a year. That means you have wasted 7.5 full days of your life. Now multiply it by 10 years. And if that number doesn't scare you, my friend, then you are in totally wrong mindset. Now it's time for the challenge, which will change your life from this moment. First, for 7 days, write down what made you uncomfortable and what made you distracted. If discomfort is zero and distraction is high, you have found the trap. Cut those distractions right now. Second, find out which life you want, how you want to spend your day, how much amount of money you need every month to live the life you want, and find out the fastest way to get that money. Find skills which will help you to get that position and give your 100% for that kind of hard work. Third, choose one skill and practice it daily for 30 minutes for 60 days. No switching, no excuses, and watch how confidence changes before money comes in your life. Fourth, change your circle. If your friends are not talking about getting success, money, or investment, then start hanging out with those which are closer to the person you want to be. Remember, if you hang out with 5 millionaires, you are going to be the 6th millionaire. Your 20s and 30s are not about having everything figured out. They are about not lying to yourself. So stop defending your habits and start doing the thing which makes sense to get successful in your life. Because life doesn't punish you for ignorance, it punishes you for avoiding awareness. I know you feel like time is running out, and which is true, but you have chance to change your future right now. Focus on that part. Because your future isn't coming, it's being built daily silently by who you are and what you're doing right now.